In this video, we are going to solve the question, a girl is running at a constant speed to catch a bus which is stationary. Before she reaches the bus leaves and moves with a constant acceleration. Which one of these graphs describes the situation correctly? So, we are given 4 graphs and we are going to find which of these graphs describes the situation correctly. The best method to solve this question is to eliminate the wrong answer options based on the movement of the girl and the movement of the bus. Now, we are going to consider the 4 options given. It is given that a girl is running at a constant speed. Now, consider option C and option D. Here, the dotted line represents the girl. From both these options, it is clear that the speed of the girl is increasing with respect to time. But it is given that the girl is running at a constant speed. So, we can clearly eliminate option C and option D. Now, we are left with only 2 options, option A and option B. It is also given that initially the bus was stationary, but before the girl reaches the bus leaves and moves with a constant acceleration. Now consider option A. From option A, we can say that the speed of the bus is increasing constantly from the beginning, but it is given that initially the bus was stationary. So, we can clearly eliminate option A. Thus, option B is the only remaining option. And from the graph, it is clear that the girl is running at a constant speed and also initially the bus was stationary, but before the girl reaches the bus leaves and it moves with a constant acceleration. So, the correct answer is option B.
Hope you all like this video. For more videos and update on the upcoming free classes, you can be part of a WhatsApp group and Telegram group. To be part of the WhatsApp group, you can just text to this number, and to be part of the Telegram group and Telegram channel, you can just search Christy's classes in Telegram. In the Telegram group, daily live free quizzes happen at 9 p.m. on General Aptitude. You can be part of that quiz also. And if you want live free classes for General Aptitude, you can download Unacademy mobile application and search this profile Christy Varghese, and you can see 300 plus pre-recorded videos, and upcoming daily live classes happen at 11 a.m. Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. free classes happen in this profile. So you're welcome to attend this free classes also, and more YouTube video details are given here. And these are the details of the full courses or the paid courses in Unacademy platform, which you can get by taking Unacademy Plus subscription with the referral code CC10. Hope to see you in the upcoming video. Thank you.